Welcome to Raya Model. So, i-tour ko po kayo. So, ito yung magandang unit and for big families. So, meron tayong 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath. Welcome to Raya. So, ito po yung ating living room. Not included the appliances, of course. This is our kitchen, dining. And meron tayong 1 in toilet and bath here in first floor. So, let's go in upstairs. So, this stairs is concrete with wooden. Tiles na din po yung second floor natin. So, napaka-spacious po. And of course, ito yung first room natin. Yung paint natin, off-white po yung turnover niya. Then, meron tayong common CR here in second floor. So, napaka-spacious po ng ating CR. And of course, this is the second room. Meron siyang 2 windows. Then, yung ating veranda, siya po yung nakakonect sa master bedroom. Yan, napakaganda po ng master bedroom natin. So, why? Because meron na rin po siyang toilet and bath. Ayan. So, ang ganda po. Napaka-spacious po ng room natin and ating CR. Dilipatan na lang. Complete na po upon turnover. Yan, ganda ng room. So, sa mga interested, PM nyo lang po ako or comment section po sa video. Thank you. Thank you.